Guess guys, who is with me? Who is with me? തല പോയിട്ട് വാല് പോലും കാണുന്നില്ല. എവിടെയാണാവോ? Somewhere in the earth. And we are off to, I don't know, somewhere. We are in Kormangala, we are going out, hanging out. Ta-da! Let's go. ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ അടിച്ച പേരായത് നീ എത്തുന്നതിനെക്കാട്ടിലും മുന്നേ ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഫ്ലോറിലെത്തിയത്. അപ്പൊ പോവാം. സോനെ
ഞങ്ങൾ ഈ കാവടി തുള്ളി ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാൽ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു ഇറ്റാലിയൻ റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റിലേക്കാണ്, വിച്ച് ഇസ് ഇൻ കോർമംഗല. Insides was looking amazing and the decorations, the lights, the chairs, everything was so cool, so elegant and എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു അവരുടെ ഇൻറ്റീരിയർ വർക്ക്സും കാര്യങ്ങളും ഒക്കെ. ബേസിക്കലി ഒരു എന്താ പറയുക എസ്തെറ്റിക് ഫീൽ എനിക്ക് തോന്നിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. And they have this huge clock with a pendulum and all, and I really loved it. അത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ interiors are amazing. പിന്നെ they'll have wines and different varieties of Italian foods and all. Basically അവള് ഹായ് ഹലോ കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
Guys, she's literally reading the entire menu and she's not even able to take anything from that thing.
It's kind of very easy. I kind of avoided the whole chicken too. Then I have
Doesn't eat chicken. My cousin doesn't eat chicken. You have no right to be my cousin.
I'm blood related.
By default, you are blood related. But I am going to remove that huge blood from your body and I am going to transfer it to someone else. Please.
Try about it? Yeah. My skincare and eyeliner, so I'm gonna try about it.
You know what?
No.
Look at me. Look at me. I don't know how much time she'll take.
Oh, I haven't. I'm just kind of
Confused. She doesn't know what to eat. Exactly, guys. She don't know what to eat.
I exactly know I can either go with pizza or with pasta, or I have to choose anything from the vegan and we'll
Whatever you eat, anyway, I'll pick it from your plate. So don't worry. Order anything. I'm fine with anything. घुस जाओ अंदर घुस जाओ तुम.
What do you want?
Wine.
Okay, which one?
Are you serious?
I like this.
Or are you that rich to buy me a wine from this place? Bro, what is sparkling water?
Sparkling water.
And that is for $475.
Okay. Sparkling? Add some glitter in it.
I'll put glitter in that. This is known as roasting.
Okay, I have the dishes. Like, can we order?
आधा घंटा हो गया and she's not even deciding what to eat.
I decided actually.
What?
I'm gonna have juice. I'll have orange and lemon converse juice, and for food I'll have for kibo. Food is known as kibo in Italian.
For me, make a virgin pina colada. I'll have that.
I'll have spaghetti aglio e olio.
Whatever, but I'll definitely pick those things from your plate.
Garlic and olio is olio.
I am definitely gonna pick all these things from your plate. So,
What do you want?
virgin pina colada. Yes, we are into the rich life nowadays with my father's money.
Yeah, with parents' money. With my father's money, because of course we are the only daughters of our parents. So definitely.
How is it? Now let me do all the procedures and have it.
SRC സംസ്ഥാനം മൊത്തം. Yes guys, this is how we are supposed to eat it.
Salt and pepper. You forgot salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper ഉണ്ട്, അത് വേണ്ടാണോ? Salt ആണോ? ഇത് കാണുന്നവന് അറിയില്ലല്ലോ, ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് സോൾട്ടും പെപ്പറും ചേർക്കാൻ കഴിയും. നമുക്കല്ലേ അറിയാം. I need lots of pepper. I am like in love with pepper. The table is tagarnal, it's not my fault. I love lots of pepper. And finally,
Tomato. I'll rub tomato and rub.
again tomatoes. Happy?
Yeah. Olive oil.
I'm not a huge fan of olive oil, but
But it is a must. No, the other side.
I'm not a fan of olive oil. I'm happy with this.
So she's gonna taste it. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm gonna taste it and see. If I don't like this, I'm gonna make you eat it.
Oh, you wanna eat it?
I'm not a huge fan of Italian food. I'm trusting her.
Wait. Trust me, Italian is Italiana. Italiana.
Whatever.
Eat it. Yeah, your expression gave away.
Like it actually, apparently. But I'm loving what I'm cooking right now. Try it.
Really good?
It's really good.
It's good actually.
This is absolutely great. My tummy is filled. I'm not a fan of Italian food. The first thing that I had was not good enough. The second thing that I had was great.
New technique. Unsolved. I didn't want you to do that though.
Yes, guys. I'm literally full.
Sone, what do you want now to eat?
I want the gelato. It's ice cream.
You better stop using those Italian words right in front of my face because I hate you for that. sandwich is melting. Look at this. Look at the condition of my sandwich. You really have to give a lot of attention to your sandwich. Because this is mango. I love mangoes. Now this thing is making me want this one again. Because it's mango and I'm loving it. After all the craziness and eating, Marty. Hi. Bye.
Bye.
So done for the day. So much done for the day. So hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Do like, share, comment, subscribe, and
We are using my song selections, okay?
no way.
Yes.
And press the
Yes, I do have
notification.
good news. Stay
She
tuned.
don't get lost. Get lost. Bye.
Bye.
Do like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification icon. I'm gonna have a tasty food.
Sarang.
Sarah.